Creating the Harmonious Inspiration Signature Facade Finishes by Terraco. This is the clay finish from the Terra collection using Terracoat Fine. For creating this signature finish, you will need a roller, spatula, scraper, long scraper, and a stainless steel trowel. Apply 1 coat of Terraco P primer or Tex primer and let it dry. Apply 1 skim coat of Terracoat Fine with a stainless steel trowel or scraper. Remove excess material and allow to dry. Apply a 2nd coat of Terracoat Fine with a stainless steel trowel or scraper. Finish by moving the long scraper in a single direction to get a uniform texture. You have now created the clay finish from the Terra collection of Harmonious Inspiration Signature Facade Finishes by Terraco.